A lot of you pool twerps have been saying, oh man, after watching you, I'd never have a pool. It's way too much work. Well, today I'm going to show you my weekly pool maintenance. Now, this is not always all-encompassing because sometimes I don't need to do certain things and other times I do. I have a little bit of greenet in the center. I don't know if you can make that out. So I might work on that, I might not. And that's just a matter of brushing it because there's no sense in manually vacuuming and that. Yeah, there's leaves in that. We had a bad storm again, and that we're going to put Robot in. So we're going to have a special treat for that, but that's going to be a separate video. But today I just wanted to show you how long it actually takes to maintain the pool for the week. I'm not going to show sweeping up the green here or any of that. We're going to do this all in real time, so sit back, grab your popcorn, and you probably won't even finish it by then. Here we go. Okay, so here we go, weekly pool maintenance. First thing we're going to do is backwash the filter. So we're going to take a leisurely old stroll on down to the pool equipment. Down over here. Turn off the pump. Okay, the solar is not open. The tropical plant is taken over. I like to just give the water a few seconds to settle. Okay, that's enough. I'll go over the backwash. Turn it on. Glass should go. There he goes. Cloudy, green, all that. A few more seconds on that. Okay, that's good. Shut that off. Go over the rinse. There we go. Okay, it's rinsed. Yeah. Backwash. More green stuff. You'll notice it's not very green now because I got most of that out, so a lot of what we're flushing out of there is just green. And that's good. We'll go back to rinse. I don't have time for this stuff, I don't know. Oh, it's time. Look at that. Backwash one more time. And there's almost nothing there now. And we'll go back to rinse. Now another thing I do is I think about what I have to do first. And the next thing is to add chlorine tabs and also shock. And if you remember from the pool series, when I do that, that is done on Recirculate. So I'm not actually charging the filter up right now. I'm going to do that after I add the shock. So this way I don't have to charge the filter up and then not. Put that down. We're going to head back and get some chlorine tabs. Put those in while the pump is off. It's a matter of, you know, good time management. here. Flip that over. And head on back. Of course, the AC is on, so that's helpful, so I'll use that one. Go ahead and open that up. Drop it in. Drop that in. This is really difficult stuff. I don't know. This is tough for certain people. I mean, if you fail algebra, I could understand why you wouldn't be able to drop these in. 4. There's 5. And 6. Pump is on Recirculate. Ready for the shock. Turn it on, just make sure everything catches. Yep. All 6 wrappers and the lid. There's no cuts in this video whatsoever, so whatever happens, happens. There we go. Locked closed. Now we're going to take these to the garbage can, which is part of the whole job. Pool's doing its thing. Just need a stop sign and it's strong battery yet. Have a rock or a pebble under the gate. Get out of there. Here we go. That's done. Now we'll head back. This is really difficult. Taking too much time.
You were at 7. It was 7 minutes already. That's too long.
Way too long. Now we're going to get the shock. I keep the shock in a different bucket. It doesn't come in the bucket. It comes in pouches, but I have that scoop that I use, which I keep right here. A nice full scoop. There we go. Over to the simmer. Remember that the pool is in recirculate mode, so it's all ready for me to add this. Oh, look at that. We have some leave-its. I'm going to have to give those to Beaver. So it's probably a wise idea to clean out the other one also. I don't worry about getting these perfectly clean because it honestly doesn't make a difference and they're going to get filled up again anyway. And now we start administering the shock slowly. Little black bugs around this time of year that love to eat you. The little bit of green that's on the bottom of the pool floor there is, or that's on the pool floor there, is a result of not having chlorine tabs, but I got them now, so hopefully that won't be happening much anymore. Good. Now clear. Go down in here. I developed a new technique where you do like a whirlpool kind of thing like this. Tends to disperse any remaining crystals of or granules of shock. So there, that one's done. Nope, not closing this yet because I'm going to have to put in DE, but I will go to the other basket and clean that. Leave its dirt, things and stuff. That went right in the skimmer, that was great. Oh. It'll work out. Okay, now we go back to the plump because it is time to put that in filtration mode. We can put in DE. Let all the air sounds out. Out there. Shoots that for a moment. Filter pressure is pretty good. Now we'll get some DE. Already they're all crying party foul. You left the scoop for the DE over there. Nope, I'm coming back in there. As long as I don't forget, it's worth it not to make an extra trip in. So about 4 scoops in this. And sometimes I don't even need to backwash the filter, so this is even faster. We'll call that 2. Three. Not even doing a full one, just a, that's even a bit much. We'll do about 3.5. Pool's a lot cleaner than it once was. That's in. Like that. Of course, if I wasted all the time to put on a hazmat suit because DE, you know, I could understand how this could be a very time-consuming process. Switch around in here. Just get all that DE in. Put this back. Park that there. Park that there. We're done. How much time?
13.5 minutes.
13.5 minutes. Beautiful. 99% of the time, that is all the maintenance I have to actually do for the week. That's it. Now, as far as the greenet goes, I'm going to brush that separately, but we're going to be making another pool-related video featuring Robot and putting him in. Now, how long he takes to do his job, he doesn't tell me what he earns, so I don't know. He runs until he says he's had enough for the day, and then I say, all right, you can go home for the day. And then he does his thing. But we're going to let him run. But otherwise, yeah, pool, done. Just like that. And he's also going to help with cleaning up the greenet. So there you go. It's actually not as big of a deal as you think. Yes, opening the pool when I'm out here and backwashing and vacuuming and doing all that crazy shit and making the nice videos for you, oh, it's a lot of fucking work. Yeah, but after, 2 weeks or so that it takes, I kick back for the rest of the summer. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.